If you're taking another virtual assistant course right now, I need you to stop, pause that video, and close that tab, because you're wasting your time and money, and I'm about to tell you why. Let's be honest, you've already taken 3 courses or even maybe 5. Email management, social media management, email marketing, you name it. Yet, you have no single clients. And I'm sure you thought the problem is that maybe you didn't know enough. So you took another course and another course and another course. Yet, you are still broke. Well, I'm Jen. I've been a virtual assistant for 9 years plus. And I'm about to tell you what virtual assistant course creators will not tell you. The virtual assistant industry has convinced you that the problems you have is skills. So you see things like learn this high income skill to make $1,000 monthly, master social media management in 7 days so that you never run out of clients, get certified in email marketing so that clients start taking you seriously. And you go ahead to pay $10, $20, even $100 for those courses. After paying, you finish the course, you get your certificate, you post it on LinkedIn, you update your bio and say certified virtual assistant, and then you still get nothing. No clients, no income, just another PDF certification sitting in your Google Drive and maybe your portfolio as well. And then you go ahead to think, okay, maybe I need to take the advanced courses. But no, I need you to stop right now. If you've learned the skills, I promise you, your problem is not more skills. Your problem is that you don't know how to sell the skills that you already have to your clients. And that is one thing that course creators will never tell you. Skills don't make you money, positioning does. Skills are good, yes, because of course you need to know how to execute tasks. But if you know how to execute this task, if you know how to serve clients, but you don't know how to position yourself and also let them know how you can serve them, they will never look your way. Let me tell you my story. In 2016, I stumbled on a Facebook post. A friend mentioned that she was learning virtual assistant. I got curious and I started to learn on my own as well. I self-taught with YouTube videos, blog posts, social media posts. Nothing fancy because a lot of people were not very knowledgeable about the industry at the time. So all I had was free content, no certifications. Even though I had no certifications, I learned like my life depended on it. Yet I ended up with the same problems that you have right now. After all of that skills, after all of that expertise, no client was there to hire me. So you know what I did? I went ahead and I did free work. Yes, I worked for free. I took on projects for $0. Some people pay me as low as $5, $10 for a whole month of work. To some people, it may seem crazy. When I tell people to work for free right now, they think it's crazy. Even I thought I was crazy. But what I was doing then was actually building my work and experience portfolio. So working with clients exposed me to what clients actually needed, not what courses or those free content I used to learn about virtual assistant told me that clients needed. So that was, of course, helping me gain confidence and understanding exactly how to position myself. After working for at least 7 months, I got my first real paying client that paid me $70 per month. Imagine going from $0 per month to $70 per month. Amazing. And guess what? By month 12, I was already earning close to $200 per month to $250 per month. And today I earn over $1,000 monthly as a virtual assistant living in Nigeria. Not because I know more skills, but of course I do, but because I especially know how to communicate my value to clients. So I know you're wondering, okay, so what should I do instead of taking more courses? I will tell you. The first thing is stop collecting skills, start packaging outcomes. Secondly, get obsessed with one type of client. Pick one type of client and then get obsessed with their problem. So say for example, you can decide that you want to work with only coaches or you want to work with people in the fitness industry, then you're obsessed with the problems that people in that industry have. So think about what keeps them up at night, what they hate doing, what will make their business run smoother. Then position yourself with those problems you identified, as long as you know how to solve that problem for them. Thirdly, make sure you are building proof of expertise, not just certificates. Because one thing that's better than a certificate is actually a testimonial from a real client that you've worked with. And this real client doesn't have to be a client that is paying you. It can actually be a client you volunteered for, whether your family members or your friends. Make sure that you do something for them like you would do for an actual client. Get results for them and get them to give you a testimonial. That is proof of expertise that clients will definitely eat up. Then lastly, master the business of being a virtual assistant. It is one thing to learn the skills, it is another thing to learn the business side of it, because trust me, virtual assistance is a business or a full-time career path, whichever one you want to pick. So learn how to write proposals, learn how to price your services properly, learn how to communicate with clients, understand clients' relationship management, all of those things that actually keep your business afloat, that does not necessarily require hard skills. This is what separates virtual assistants making I know this may be hard to hear because you've invested your time and money in courses, and now I'm telling you that those courses do not count. But here's the good news, you haven't actually wasted anything. The skills you learn from those courses are actually valuable. What you just need to learn is exactly how to and this is exactly what I teach. I teach positioning, messaging, client attraction, retainer systems, and the business of virtual assistants. Because the truth is, being skilled and being paid are two entirely different things. And trust me, with my years of experience, I know that the industry is filled with skilled but broke people. And I honestly do not want you to be one of them. If you're a virtual assistant who is confident in the skills you have and you want my help in fixing your positioning, your messaging, and building a client attraction system, I need you to click the link in my description box below and let me get to helping you today. If you're not ready, no problem, keep taking your courses, and of course keep watching videos from me. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you can learn more about how you can position, so that when you are ready, you will start making the money. Let me know in the comments, how many virtual assistant courses have you taken since you started your virtual assistant journey? I would like to know. Alright, I will see you in my next video where I talk about AI tools that help me do long hours of work in only few minutes. Toodles.